Hello everyone, my name is Anusha. Welcome to my channel Tomato Blues, where I share quick, easy, healthy, vegetarian and vegan recipes. Today I'm sharing an electric pressure cooker friendly Moong Dal recipe, for which we will begin by washing and soaking 1 cup Moong Dal in 3 cups hot water for 20 minutes. While the Moong Dal is getting soaked, I will start my instant pot on the saute mode, heat up some oil, and while the display reads hot, I will be adding mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves along with finely chopped onions, some ginger and green chilies. Give this all a good saute for about 30 to 45 seconds, and in goes 1.5 teaspoons of crushed black pepper along with salt to taste. Now we are adding salt over here to expedite the sauteing process, and in this recipe I feel the crushed black pepper is a total game changer. This is my mom's way of making moong dal, and she usually serves it up with chapatis, but you can also serve this with pretty much any carbs of your choice, ranging from just whole wheat bread or brown rice or just regular rice. So after I added the whole black pepper, I went in and I added some tomatoes. I have just roughly quartered the tomatoes over here, and then in went the soaked moong dal. I must add at this point that I drained the soaked moong dal in a colander, and then I added fresh water while pressure cooking it. And like I mentioned in the subtitles, we are using the pressure cook mode, and we are cooking it on high pressure for 12 minutes and let the pot depressurize on its own. Once it's all done, if you open the pot, you will see that the moong dal has cooked completely, but it is slightly thick. To adjust the consistency, I also added about 2.75 cups of hot water, and then in went some fresh cilantro, and then I started it off again on the saute mode, and while it was simmering away, I did a tempering which has like mustard seeds, some more crushed black pepper and cumin seeds. That's about it. You can add lemon juice also before serving. I hope you all enjoyed it. We'll be back with another recipe. Bye bye.